कति राम्रो मामा मेरो त कति पाकेको हो आमा या मामा कस्तो खुर्सानी हो आमा है बा
कति नागत बा
Madre mía, के खुर्सानी madre mía एक पटक नि नगरेर हो अब यो त है
हैन यो टाइप अफ
हो र
fermented black soybean. You know, the soybean is a form of soy sauce. You know, soy sauce comes from this fermented black soybean. I'm making it. Red chili pickle. You know, the main three ingredients is a dry fermented soybeans. You know, the soy sauce comes from this dry fermented soybeans. I'm going to grinding the Sichuan peppercorn. We call Timur. Look at how beautiful. We are already in a toasted to dry out because with the time it contains some kind of humidity, all kind of spices. You have to, you know, water contains humidity. You know, but I already cooked out the chilies, red chilies. Not so hot. It's hot, but not this one is not so hot. I will mention again when to put this fermented soybean. Okay, fermented soybean. Look at fermented soybean. Little garlics. Whole garlic cloves, you know, is for infusion of, you know, taste. The infusion is not to eat. Okay, look at garlic, whole garlic, cut it, you know, look at cut it like this way. So in order to infuse all kind of, you know, taste. This is turnip, you know, it's whole. I put it in and cut it inside. Look at cut this way. You know this. I will put later because it's difficult to mix out. Okay. Then I will put little bit. Okay. This onion, red onion. Okay. Look at red onion. I will put. It will hold the okay. Going to discard it. Look at we going to put. I'm going to mention spices. Okay. Main three ingredients. What I told: red chili, whole fermented soybean, black soybean, and Sichuan peppercorn. The main ingredient. It's salty. The salty is so you don't have to put more salt. So I will mention this is 5 spices. That is cardamom, green cardamom, black how to say peppercorn, and green cardamom. This is what is the cinnamon stick and black cardamom. Okay. And this is all the spices. So spices from Jamaica. Look at spices from Jamaica. That's a beautiful color. Then I'm going to eat. It is how to say? I don't know this name. It's kind of hot, Then this is cinnamon stick, and this is saffron tree. This for I think it's for color and make it pure and liquid or water. Okay. This is dry berries. Okay. Going to infuse with little bit dry anchovy. Look at dry anchovy. If you're vegetarian, avoid this dry anchovy. So trace dry anchovy or fish sauce. This is fish sauce. Fish sauce also from anchovy. I don't have star anise, but I have this kind of green anise. Look at it. I mix up. I mix up. Oh, so beautiful. So beautiful. So beautiful. So beautiful. So I finish put this black fermented black means a pack of salt. So you don't have to put salt, but I will put just a little bit. Okay. Normally you don't put any kind of liquid or water, or you can put water, salty water with sugar, but I'm going to put virgin olive oil. Okay, this is sesame oil. I'll put later. This is fish oil. Fish oil. Oh, fish sauce. Sorry, fish sauce. Okay, fish sauce. Fish sauce. And this is. This is rice wine, fermented rice wine. Okay, fermented rice wine. Turnip I will put later. This is lemongrass. Lemongrass I will put later. This is laurel. This is Indian laurel. Asian laurel. This is European laurel. Okay, going to mix up, mix well. Look at it. This is my fermented crock, the sour crock. I will make place. I'm going to put it inside. This sesame oil for taste. Look at it. I'm going to put inside. Look at it. I'll mix up. Ginger, garlic, this fermented black soybean, red chilies. All kind of spices. Look at it. That's beautiful. Do you see? Moshami, do you see? That's a beautiful color. Look at. I will mix with virgin olive oil. I I'm going to make today 2 kilos. So I need 3 kilo of virgin olive oil. This olive oil I use for cooking, you know. This is that is ton of flavor, spiciness, you know, savoury and umami sour, because you know fermented black soybeans and dry anchovy gives types of umami flavor, you know. Look at. Look at what's beautiful. Do you see, sorry? Do you see? Okay. Oh. Otherwise my video becomes so long, you know. I about to make long videos, so look at. I think it's nearly 2 kilo or more than 2 kilo. Look at. This is my virgin olive oil. Look at. This is organic olive oil. I put just little bit rice wine. This, you know, rice wine. This brand is better. So umami flavor. I love it. If you are not alcoholic, then don't put it. Avoid it. Okay. Oh, so nice. Okay. I put before also. Oh, so nice. It's for good preservation, you know. It's good preservation. Okay, now fill up with olive oil, virgin olive oil. Okay, look at. Don't worry, because this oil you are going to cook. Okay, after you will use. So I said almost 3 kilo you need. Okay, that's 5 kilo, now 2 kilo. Oh, what's a beautiful today. Oh, look at inside. Look inside. Wow. Just little bit I will taste, because you don't have to put any salt, because fermented black soybeans is pack of salt. I think it's fermented during 3 years of time. Okay, or 6 to 3 years, 6 months to 3 years. Look at. Don't worry, because I don't worry about, you know, oil, because this oil you will use for cooking. Okay, for noodles, for rice, for, you know, any kind of to make a sauce. Okay, so use olive oil from this gallon, or use from this same thing. This, if you use from here, this pack of flavor, savory sour, umami sauce, you know, and it is fermented and it healthy, you know. It's healthy, you know, fermented. How to say beneficial microorganism, you know, it's developed, you know. It's I don't know what's the term to use. Okay, look at. No problem. I'm using salt. This is Himalayan salt. Normally it's red color, but it's gray. Now finally I'm going to put this turnip, okay, to give, but not cooking, to give you know, taste, you know, savory taste. Okay. I will put this way. Okay. So that's a laurel leaf. Okay. For this, lemongrass. Okay. This is Indian laurel leaf. And I forget one thing. That I used to put kaffir lime. I will put this in the corner. This is my corner. Then I will use this one for cooking. Okay. What's a great thing? What a great thing. What a great thing. What's a marvelous thing. I know. I close it. You fill with water this tap to hydrate, but you don't hide because oil is well preserved. Good preservation. You don't have to cook. To make hydrate. It's the process of making red chili pickle with fermented black beans and Sichuan pepper.